Ma'am, does failures come under the emotional breakdown?
Yes, it's a good question. Yes, failures come under emotional breakdown because it upsets you mentally. But when you look at that failure is not your life. See, this is something what I really want you to understand. Your life has many roles to be played. It has many factors that will help you to grow. Not being able to succeed in one thing cannot make you a failure. There is a difference. You failed in one particular thing. That will not make you a failure. Am I clear here? Am I understandable here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So when you are failing in one thing, you are just not mastered that one particular thing. That has nothing to do with what you are in your life. That has nothing to do with how you're going ahead in your life. That has nothing to do with how you're achieving your success in your life. You have not mastered that one particular thing, but that one particular thing can still be achieved if you just give it one more try. If you're a little smarter in the techniques that you're applying, if you're a little smarter in gathering the information how to master it. Your failure is just one small speed breaker for your next gear to be geared up. It's as simple as that. The failure is just going to teach you, or you failing in that one particular thing will only teach you to look at things better, to understand what you have learned in this experience. And when you have learned it, when you have adapted it, when you have absorbed that beautiful experience of becoming new with that failure, then you are a new you there. So there are no emotional setbacks unless you consider yourself to be unworthy because you were not able to do it. If you are considering yourself incapable just because you're not able to do it, if you're considering that I do not deserve to enjoy my life just because I couldn't achieve it, is it possible? I'll give you a simple example. When we are in schools, we are absolutely been categorized into above average performers, and super extraordinary performers. Correct?
A section, B
I
section.
Yeah, and I really love you, Vamsi, for you being that section who used to be very, very notorious. And
Yeah, A section.
and
Always.
I exactly, and these people like me in my school never believed in them. But see, now when they are out of the school, they are exceptional because their skills is what they are showing them what they can do. Their potentials are what they are building up. Their strengths is what they're identifying, they're multiplying. So you not being good at one particular thing is not a failure at all. It is just your growing steps. Your
Not
life
without your
is
help, ma'am.
I'm always there. I'm always there for everyone. And one thing I want you to remember, your life is all about celebration. When you are not able to do one particular thing, you are nowhere entitled that you cannot enjoy your life. अगर एक चीज में तुम अच्छे नहीं हो, that doesn't mean that you cannot celebrate your life. Go ahead, dress yourself, enjoy yourself looking beautiful. Go ahead, have conversations with your friend, enjoy that evening. Who has stopped you? No one stopped you. That's your life. If you're not able to do it now, tomorrow you will do it. That's how you should look at it. So failure is, I will always say, your failure is always your best companion to push you ahead with whatever you want to achieve.